All-in-one automatic payroll template. Yan yung Premium 888. One-time payment lang, may 201 file ka na, automatic payroll, auto-compute attendance, leave tracker, auto-compute SSS PhilHealth Pag-ibig tax, DOLE and BIR compliance na and updated rates. Ready to print payslip, nakaset up na. If weekly yung sahod nyo or twice a month, daily paid, monthly paid, pwedeng-pwede yan sa premium. You will receive the template via email. You can choose if Excel or Google Sheet or both. We provide after-sales support. So, pagkabili nyo ng template, habang ginagamit nyo, if may questions kayo, you can message us on Facebook and we will answer to your inquiries. We provide sales invoice. And to check for the full description, go to our website, www.misshr.net. Dito nyo din makikita yung preview ng template. So, what you see here is what you will get. We have 3 different payroll templates, basic, SME, and premium. Pwede kayong mamili. If you want to avail, you can message us on Messenger or go to our Facebook page. For the template, we have instructions, setup sheet. Dito i-edit yung company details, yung percentage ng rest day, holiday. If may commission-based employee kayo, pwede din yan sa premium. Editable yung percentage and may columns tayo dito. Incentives basis, commissions basis, and pwede nyong i-rename yung column. For the 201, kapag may highlight, ibig sabihin, automatic. So, for example, probation end date, regularization date, and we have salary increase and incident report sheet. Kung ano yung data na plinot nyo dito, may summary sa 201. So, for example, nakailang IR na ba yan all throughout the employment? Or kailan yung huli niyang salary increase? Dito nyo makikita. For the payroll, so for my background, my name is Monique. I have 7 years of payroll experience. Nakapag-work na ako sa manpower agency, shared services, IT company, startup company. So, kabisado ko na kung ano yung details na kailangan ng mga payroll officers and ano yung common problems. So, for example, itong DTR, napaka-tedious if magma-manual compute pa and minsan inaccurate. So, ito auto-compute na. I-encode nyo lang yung schedule. So, for example, ang schedule niya, 9 a.m. to 5. Tapos, na-late siya ng 10 minutes. And nag-OT siya hanggang 11. So, auto-compute yung night diff, yung OT, and yung late niya. And nakita nyo, habang nag-encode ako ng time, nawawala yung red highlight because that is a safety indication for us. Kasi for example, galing biometrics yung data ninyo, minsan may apostrophe. So, hindi siya time, considered as text siya. So, hindi siya magko-compute ng tama kasi may apostrophe. So, malalaman nyo yan kapag may red highlight pa din. Kapag tinama natin siya, missing DTR kasi eto walang timeout. So, kapag walang timeout, hindi magko-compute yung sahod niya. Lagyan natin ng undertime. And then we also have the holiday sheet. So, pwede nyong iset up yung mga holiday. Mag-auto-compute din. So, we have a lot of safety features dito sa file because we value accuracy and automation. So, kailangan mabilis matapos yung payroll. So, here is the payslip. Connected na yan sa payroll. So, kita nyo, may checking ulit tayo dito. Make sure this is 0. So, kapag hindi yan 0, ibig sabihin, may accidentaling na-edit na formula sa payroll or sa payslip. I-double check nyo. So, we also have the allowance. Ito yung mga incentives, commission, transpo, meal. We have loans, SSS, Pag-ibig, and cash advance. And then the bank setup. So, ito yung pag magpapadala na ng sahod. May checking ulit tayo dito. Dapat nakatali yan sa payroll. So, if you want to avail this template, message me on Facebook, Miss HR. Thank you!